What is up, my dudes? And that one girl wants to find out if Adam Sandoval took out a restraining order against me or not yet. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, just getting it done. Let's get into the other stuff real quick. Want to save 10% on a Cardinal communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should join the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, spoiler alert, it's not to fund all these really dumb long road trips I like to take. It is for a good cause, and next to the 5,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to that good cause is a link explaining that. Got it? Get it? All that stuff? Good? Cool, let's move on. Alright, because I know you're all faithful watchers of the channel, you know that I just finished up... Whoa, what the hell? You know that I just finished up my 1K in a day from Salem, Mass over to, I don't even know where I am right now. It's Illinois. I don't know the actual name of the town, but I'm just outside of Milwaukee going to the Harley 120th Homecoming Rally thing, whatever. But first, what we're going to do is actually head over to Adam Sandoval's hotel. Today is the last day of his convoy, and they will be drawing to see who's the winner of the bike he's been riding. And I appreciate the fact that they're still going through all the motions instead of just handing me the title. It, you know, at least makes the rest of you feel good about the whole thing and makes it look like you had a chance. But nonetheless, yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my bike from Adam Sandoval. How hilarious would it be if I actually won that bike? There's gonna be people that are like, it was fixed, he's been telling us all along. Nonetheless, yeah, so they're going to be at the last Harley stop, which is where I think they're drawing for the Harley, at 11 a.m. So I'm gonna go hit up their hotel. I'd like to be there fairly early. I'm gonna stop and get gas first, but I'd like to join the convoy and head over to that last Harley. So that's what we're doing right now. So let's go. It's like a carnival or something. Like, I don't, is that Six Flags? I don't know. I know there's a Six Flags in the area. If it is, I kind of want to just go to Six Flags now. I'm not so concerned about the 120th anymore. Oh man, I didn't realize I was so close. That's cool. I'm digging this. Yeah, I got decisions to make. Oh, sweet. Dude, it's Six Flags. It really is. It's a Six Flags. Sweet. Oh, hey there, Six Flags. Man, you are making it hard to go to Harley today. Kind of want to go on roller coasters now. Damn it. That's not cool, Six Flags. It's not cool. You're torturing me. All right, we got a mission here. We still got to go see Adam, so let's go do this. All right. I am now officially in Wisconsin. Let's go find some cheese. Whatever, man. All right, carry on. Let's do this. There you go. Gummy bears. We can go get gummy bears. Oh, it's the simple things in life. Sorry, Haribo, but Pez is still better. Yeah, I said it.
So I can't say for sure 100%, but I think I found the convoy. I think it's here. Found my bike that I'm taking home already. It's parked right up front, ready to go. You know, that's how it rolls. Coming out of a speedway. Yeah, the Wisconsin accent is in full effect here, and I am so here for it. I love it. I love it. It's so good. So I've been walking around looking at all the bikes. Bunch of new ones have pulled in as well. And I'm the only one representing New England. And I'm the only masshole. So I'm a little sad, but a little proud about this at the same time. Where are you guys? Come on. Take your bikes right out here. What the hell?
want to take 1 second to recognize the veterans in the house. Can we get them to raise their hands?
All right, so this convoy is getting ready to roll out. There is seriously a lot of bikes here. Yeah, this whole parking lot is just filled all the way around. The hotel absolutely loved all these people staying. They came through and were like handing everyone out like ice cream and like bottles of water and all that, and ended up donating an extra $1,000 to the Wounded Warriors Project. So they were really in on this, and they were happy to have everyone here. So yeah, we'll be rolling out soon, I'm sure. So apparently this was like literally around the corner. It took longer to get lined up than it did to get to the Harley dealer. Whatever, man. It's all good. Honestly, this seems to be a better approach just because there's so many bikes and there's no police escort. But yeah, this is sweet, man. I wonder how many of these bikes will join the convoy to go out to the Harley Museum. Apparently that is the final destination of the convoy. I think I'm gonna go for it, try it out, ride with these guys for a little bit. Could be fun. Feeling pretty, might do it, I don't know.
Well, even if I thought about leaving early, I am completely blocked in. So yeah, I'm here for this. Let's go check out you, Carly. I really like that. That is awesome. Each one of those floors has a different bike. There's a sweet Springer right on the bottom too. Like, that is a cool design. So Adam, look.
Oh, we're videoing
again, I didn't tell you.
Picture.
In Rhode Island, I got you not shitty coffee so you didn't have to drink shitty coffee.
I know.
What did I catch you doing this morning?
Well, you caught me drinking shitty coffee.
Come on!
What do you mean, man? That's how I roll, brother. I put in the work, I put in the grind, and when I'm done, I get home, I sit on my back porch, and I make myself a nice cup of coffee. And it tastes even better.
On the bright side, though, you've been taking care of my bike. I look forward to picking it up over at the museum.
Absolutely, my friend. I hope you like riding in the rain.
Dude, I rode in the rain to get here. I actually left yesterday at 3 in the morning and drove all the way over here. Got here at 8:30 last night.
All right, man.
1,100 miles.
All right, man.
So now I'm going to take 1,100 miles of my new bike home.
I enjoy it, my friend. In the rain.
All right, we are definitely running a little behind, but we're gonna be heading out now and heading over to the museum. It is roasting hot. I don't know why everyone has their bike started yet. We're not even moving. It only takes like 3 seconds. Calm me down, guys. This is making it hotter. Yuke's Harley was awesome. It is a really cool looking place. I dig it. And they just came through and handed out water to everyone, so they're really cool too. But all right, let's get on the road. Okay, this part's cool. I like this. This bridge is awesome. I'm digging this. This is cool. That looks like so many bikes. This is actually pretty insane. This is definitely not Laconia, let me tell you. This is definitely something into itself. Like outside of all the bike rallies, all that. Like Harley itself it's pretty crazy. This is a pilgrimage worth taking. Holy crap. This place is huge.
Seeing pictures of this place does not do it justice. It is just enormous. This place is huge. It's not even just like a building. It's like an entire campus. It's absolutely nuts. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. All the lines to everything here are insane. Museum, even the store. The line is like wrapped around the building. All right, this place is like nuts to butts. It is crazy. It's impressive, but it's crazy. So I'm gonna do my best to get out of here.
All right, guys, we are bowling out. Honestly, I'm headed back to like my hotel, which is about 45 minutes away. Gonna grab some dinner, settle in for the night, and do it all again tomorrow. Hopefully I can get into some of the stuff on over at Harley. I'm gonna try and get there early this time, because I mean, by the time I got there this time, the lines were just out of control. The place was awesome. It was so cool to see everything. But I mean, like, even the store, like if you just want to go into the store and buy something, the lines were around the building. I was like, holy crap, this is nuts. I'm not doing that. I don't know, but I hope you liked the videos. Hope you enjoyed a lot of cool bikes, because man, there have been a lot of cool bikes. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with Dr. Harley, because I saw him today and I totally spaced taking a video with him. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.